Microsoft just changed how Copilot works across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The new agent mode edits your documents directly instead of suggesting, and it's turned on by default for most paid subscribers. Microsoft calls it Vibe Working. Let's see what that actually means. 4 things agent mode changes. 1, it edits inside your file instead of just chatting. 2, a sidebar shows every step live. 3, it handles multi-step tasks without losing track. And 4, it's the default for most 365 Copilot and Premium users without you opting in. Same agent, different jobs. In Excel, it builds formulas, pivot tables, and formatting. In Word, it rewrites text while keeping your tone. In PowerPoint, it updates decks with fresh data and keeps your company template intact. 1 feature, 3 apps, all live now. Microsoft was surprisingly honest. They admitted old Copilot was a passive partner that missed the mark when asked to take action. Agent mode is their fix, but it also means the AI now has write access to your files by default. Version history matters more than ever. 4 rules before you let it loose. Test on a copy first. Watch the sidebar step as it works. Keep OneDrive version history on so you can roll back. And start with simple jobs. Add totals, reformat tables. Build trust before you try anything important. Are you trying Vibe Working? Drop your take below. Genuinely useful or a step too far? Send this to anyone at your job who uses Office every day.